Space, it's vast, mysterious and full of wonders. But what if Mars, our red neighbor, was on a collision course with Earth? Imagine the headlines, the panic, the sheer awe-inspiring terror of such an event. In this video, we're diving deep into the hypothetical scenario of a Mars-Earth collision. Buckle up, it's going to be a cosmic ride. If you're as intrigued by this as we are, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of cosmic exploration. Our solar system is a delicate dance of planets, moons, and asteroids, all held in place by the sun's gravity. Over billions of years, gravitational interactions can cause orbits to shift and change. While collisions were more common in the early solar system, they're not unheard of today. Understanding what would happen if such a collision were to occur gives us a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of our solar system. So, what exactly would transpire if Mars decided to pay Earth an unexpected visit? Let's delve into the science and find out. Our solar system wasn't always the well-organized place it is today. Billions of years ago, it was a chaotic cosmic billiards table, with countless asteroids and protoplanets zipping around. Collisions were commonplace, shaping the planets and moons we know today. Mars, too, bears the scars of ancient collisions, with massive impact basins like Hellas Planitia, a scar so large it could swallow Mount Everest whole. These collisions weren't just random events, they played a crucial role in the formation of our planet, delivering water and other essential ingredients for life. While large-scale collisions are less frequent today, the possibility of a stray asteroid or even a rogue planet impacting Earth is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmic neighborhood. The most famous example of a catastrophic impact on Earth is the Chicxulub impact, which wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. This event, triggered by an asteroid estimated to be about 6 miles wide, released an unimaginable amount of energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The Chicxulub impact serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of space objects. Understanding the mechanics of planetary impacts is crucial for assessing the risks and potentially mitigating them in the future. Now, imagine scaling up the Chicxulub impact by a factor of thousands. That's what we're talking about with a Mars-Earth collision. The energy released would be unimaginable, dwarfing anything humanity has ever witnessed. Massive chunks of Earth and Mars would be ejected into space, forming a ring of debris around the newly formed larger planet. The sheer scale of such an event is difficult to comprehend, but by studying the physics of impacts and the geological history of our solar system, we can begin to grasp the potential consequences of such a cosmic collision. In the milliseconds following the initial impact, the laws of physics would play out on a scale that defies human comprehension. Imagine the energy of billions of nuclear weapons detonating simultaneously. The crusts of Earth and Mars, solid for billions of years, would crumple like paper. At the point of impact, temperatures would soar to millions of degrees, instantly vaporizing rock and metal. A shockwave, traveling faster than the speed of sound, would ripple through both planets, obliterating anything in its path. Mountains would crumble, oceans would boil away, and the very atmosphere would ignite. The energy released would outshine the sun, briefly turning night into day across the solar system. This would be just the beginning of a chain reaction that would reshape the face of our planet and leave a lasting mark on the solar system. As the shockwave from the impact reverberated around the globe, it would trigger a cascade of catastrophic events. Entire continents would be torn apart, their fragments tossed into the sky like leaves in a hurricane. Oceans, once home to a vibrant ecosystem of life, would vaporize in an instant. Tsunamis, dwarfing anything in recorded history, would race across the globe, obliterating coastlines and drowning everything in their path. The very air would become superheated, a toxic mix of vaporized rock and metal. Imagine the sky raining fire, the ground beneath you cracking and splitting, and the air itself becoming unbreathable. Amid this unimaginable chaos, a new world would begin to take shape. As the initial shock subsided, the molten remains of Earth and Mars would begin to coalesce under the relentless pull of gravity. Imagine a fiery ball of liquid rock twice the size of Earth, spinning rapidly in space. Over millions of years, this molten world would slowly begin to cool. The heavier elements, like iron and nickel, would sink to the core, while lighter materials would rise to the surface, forming a new crust. Volcanoes spewing forth molten rock and gases would dot the landscape, creating a hellish atmosphere. The debris ejected into space during the impact would form a vast ring system around the newly formed planet. Some fragments, caught in the gravitational dance, would remain in orbit, forming a ghostly reminder of the cataclysmic event that had transpired. This new world, born from destruction, would be a far cry from the Earth we know. While the surface of this newly formed world would be uninhabitable for humans, life might persist in the most extreme environments. Deep beneath the surface, where geothermal vents spew forth heat and chemicals, extremophile microorganisms might find a foothold. These tiny survivors, capable of withstanding intense heat, radiation, and toxic chemicals, could represent the last vestiges of life as we know it. Over billions of years, they might evolve and adapt to this new world, potentially giving rise to new and unimaginable forms of life. The search for life on this reborn planet would be a daunting task, but it would also be one of the most profound scientific endeavors imaginable. The universe is interconnected. The sudden disappearance of Earth and Mars wouldn't go unnoticed. The gravitational balance of our solar system, carefully maintained for billions of years, would be thrown into disarray. Like ripples in a cosmic pond, the effects of the collision would spread outward, impacting the orbits of nearby planets. Venus, our closest neighbor, would be most affected. Asteroids, once held in check by the gravitational pull of Earth and Mars, would be flung into new trajectories, some potentially hurled toward the inner solar system. The solar system, once a place of relative order and predictability, would become a more chaotic and dangerous place. While the fate of Earth and Mars would be sealed in the collision, the long-term impact on other planets is a subject of much speculation. Some scientists believe that the loss of Mars's gravitational influence could have a destabilizing effect on the asteroid belt, potentially increasing the risk of asteroid impacts on the inner planets. Others theorize that the newly formed planet, with its increased mass and gravitational pull, could act as a cosmic shield, deflecting incoming asteroids and comets. However, this protective effect would come at a cost, as the planet's gravitational influence could also disrupt the orbits of existing planets. The solar system, once familiar and predictable, would become a cosmic puzzle, its pieces rearranged by the cataclysmic forces unleashed in the collision. Over millions of years, the solar system would strive to regain a semblance of equilibrium. The newly formed planet, its fiery birth pangs long over, would settle into a new orbit, its surface slowly cooling and solidifying. The debris field, once a chaotic ring of destruction, would thin out as gravity pulled most of the fragments back to the planet or flung them out into the depths of space. The remaining planets, their orbits slightly altered, would continue their celestial dance, albeit with a newfound respect for the destructive power of cosmic collisions. The newly formed planet, born from the ashes of two worlds, would offer a blank slate, a cosmic canvas on which the forces of nature could paint a new chapter in the story of our solar system. The hypothetical collision between Earth and Mars serves as a stark reminder of the immense power of the universe and the fragility of our own existence. By studying planetary collisions, both past and present, we gain valuable insights into the formation and evolution of planets, the potential threats posed by near-Earth objects, and the possibility of life beyond our own planet. The knowledge we gain from such studies could one day prove crucial in protecting our planet from cosmic dangers and ensuring the survival of our species. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must do so with a sense of humility, recognizing that we are but a small part of something much grander than ourselves. The vastness of space, while awe-inspiring, also presents potential dangers. Asteroids, rogue comets, and even the theoretical possibility of a planetary collision remind us that our pale blue dot isn't invincible. Thankfully, around the globe, dedicated teams of scientists and engineers work tirelessly as guardians of our planet. Space agencies like NASA, ESA, and JAXA play a critical role in monitoring potential threats from space. Using powerful telescopes, both on Earth and in orbit, they scan the skies for near-Earth objects, or NEOs, tracking their movements and calculating their trajectories. This Cosmic Neighborhood Watch program is our first line of defense against unexpected visitors from the cosmos. Scientists meticulously study the composition, size, and speed of NEOs, gathering crucial data to assess the risk they pose. This global effort to monitor and understand the cosmos isn't about fear-mongering. It's about responsibility. Imagine a future with years of advance notice before a potential impact. This isn't science fiction, it's the goal of planetary defense, a cosmic early warning system. Detecting threats early buys us time to study, plan, and act. But detection is just the first step. The challenge is how to deflect it. From kinetic impactors to gravity tractors, innovative ideas offer hope. These techniques are a testament to human ingenuity and our determination to protect our planet. The hypothetical collision between Earth and Mars, while a dramatic thought experiment, highlights a fundamental truth. We live in a dynamic and ever-changing universe. While the cosmos can be awe-inspiring and beautiful, it can also be indifferent to our existence. Planetary defense is therefore not just a scientific endeavor, it's a testament to our collective will to survive, to safeguard our future among the stars. As we continue to explore the universe, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and venturing further into the cosmos, we must do so with a sense of responsibility, recognizing that our actions have consequences. Planetary defense is not an option, it's an imperative, a responsibility we owe to ourselves, to future generations, and to the legacy of life on Earth. The universe is vast, full of wonder and mystery. Let us explore it, study it, and learn from it. And let us use our knowledge to protect our pale blue dot, our only home, ensuring that life, which has flourished on this planet for billions of years, will continue to thrive for billions more. We've journeyed through a hypothetical cosmic cataclysm, a scenario both terrifying and strangely beautiful. The collision of Earth and Mars, while statistically improbable, serves as a powerful reminder of the immense forces at play in our universe. We've seen how such an event could reshape our solar system, obliterating worlds, forging new ones, and leaving a lasting impact on the cosmic ballet of planets and stars. But beyond the destruction, we've also glimpsed the resilience of nature, the potential for life to endure even in the face of unimaginable challenges. Perhaps in the molten crucible of a newly formed planet, life would find a way, evolving and adapting to create a new genesis, a testament to the enduring power of biology. The universe is a place of endless possibilities, where destruction and creation are often two sides of the same cosmic coin. By exploring these hypotheticals, by venturing into the realm of what-ifs, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of our own planet, the preciousness of life, and the sheer grandeur of the cosmos. But our exploration doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. The universe is vast, full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Every discovery, every answer leads to more questions, fueling our curiosity and driving us to explore further. The collision of Earth and Mars, while a hypothetical event, underscores the importance of understanding our place in the cosmos. By studying the stars, by unraveling the laws of physics that govern the universe, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our origins, and our place in the grand scheme of things. We learn about the forces that shaped our planet, the processes that gave rise to life, and the potential dangers lurking in the depths of space. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, keep exploring. The universe is a vast and wondrous place, and there's still so much left to discover. And who knows, perhaps one day we'll find evidence of other worlds that have experienced their own cosmic collisions, reshaping their destinies and writing new chapters in the ongoing saga of the universe.